So I'm ripping into this cabinet and you can see I took off the faceplate there. It's just held in there with staples just so you can see what's inside here. And here's the faceplate here. It's just held in with staples. So here's our progression. I'm going to line all this with plywood as best I can. I'm going to put the 2000 watt inverter here and the transfer switch up there, and then the solar controller, which is down here right now, I'm going to put up here. And then here's where the battery is going to sit. I'm going to put a plate on top of that and see how that goes. Okay, we're almost done here. I just got to paint it all up, but this is what it's going to look like. Got about 23 inches there for the battery. This battery is 9.5 wide by 20.5. Okay, here we go. Here's the finished product. I don't know how that sun's working there, but I just have to put those screws in. I want to show that, and then I'll show it with all my stuff in there. And then what we'll do here, this is my plan anyway. I'm going to move the microwave, and I think it's a GFI generator, over to this, which is for the inverter. You see there's two outlets here, or two circuit breakers there. One is for outlets in the bedroom, kitchen, and in the very back. The other one's the main, and then when I put the microwave over there, I'll be able to run the microwave and then the rest of the outlets on my 2000 watt inverter. And that's what we want to do when we're boondocking, so we can run the microwave, and we'll have all the outlets, but that will be all that'll be running on the inverter once I get that done. And here's a picture of the slide with it in. Not much room. I usually crawl back there, and then I crawl back there to make sure there's nothing in the way when we do put the slide out. So I just thought I'd show that. That's what that looks like with the slide in. And that's going to do it for this battery install. I didn't mean battery install, I meant battery compartment install. It wasn't too hard, and I wanted it white so I could see in there. I temporarily put my solar controller there, and then this is the inverter prep, and one is marked with a red piece of tape, and I believe that's the hot from the converter, and then that black one goes back to the inverter breaker box back there that I just showed. And once I switch over the microwave and the other outlets, then I can run the TVs in both bedroom when we're out dry dock, boondock. And then one of those switches will be for the battery and one for the solar controller. I haven't hooked any of that up yet. I'm gonna wait. I'll do all that once when I get the battery. That's probably gonna be a while. Anyway, that's it for the battery compartment. See everybody later.